Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the tangent line. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to find first the derivative of this one. So we do first the derivative of s multiplied by this one plus s multiplied by first the derivative of the square root. So first the derivative of s, we have number 1. First the derivative of this one, we have 2s over number 2 multiplied by this one. So number 2, we simplify. Next, we have s equal to number 0, so we put number 0 in here to find the value of first the derivative of the function. So this one we have number 4. Next, we have tangent line. So we have y equals to the value of first derivative in here multiplied by s minus 0 plus 0. This is for the value of s. This is about the value of y. So we put number 4 go in here. So we simplify and we have 4s, and that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.